How to buy Nillion token. So this token came under the symbol of nil. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply just goes below. Find your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now this token, it will be, or it's on the MEXC. You can buy it from there. So what you need to do, just go and open your MEXC account like that. Sorry. Now open your MEXC account. So if you don't have an account on MEXC, go down in the description and you will be able to find the referral link on create an account on MEXC to benefit from rewards and find your token with some USDT. Now after that, what you need to do, go back to this page of that token on X and you will be able to find this token name. Now copy it. Now go back to your account, in the search bar paste that token name and you will be able to find this pair. Now click on it. Wait a few seconds to load this page. As you can see, now you are able to buy this token. Now click on buy, select the limit and here type how much you want to buy of that token. So here you will be able to see how much you will be paid of that USDT on your account in order to use it to buy this token, and click on buy nil. Now if you select the market, you can drag this to set how much a percentage that you want to use of that USDT on your account in order to use it to buy this token, and click on buy nil. So this is how to buy nil token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.